Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this Deminage skincare. The company did reach out to me and wondered if I would review their Nano Pin Kit for an honest review. So let's just open this up. I was actually kind of surprised they reached out to me because I only have like 400 subscribers, or well, 438, but still. Hey, thank you. Lots of, wow, this thing is full of stuff. Let's see. We'll go over what everything is. This is the first time I opened the box, so we will learn together. Oh, hello. Okay. So I guess this is the Nano Pin. Not gonna lie, it's looking kind of scary. Thank you for the battery. It runs on batteries. Looks like a AAA battery. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so it has like a push button thing. So I'm scared. Not gonna lie, kind of scary. Let's see. They have this Deminage. Hold on. Okay, anyway, sorry about that. First we got this Deminage Booster. It's 5 booster nano chips. Use 1 to 2 times weekly for a deep boost. So these go on to the end of your pin. See, they screw on there, and then you use the push button method, and where your problem areas are, like there, you just, so we will try that. Then we have the Deminage Daily 5 daily nano chips. Use daily to gently condition the skin. Okay. And then we have another one of those. And then we have the Blanc brightening serum. So there's 5 2 milliliter vials. They are I've had things like this before, where they usually include like a little cover that you snap the top of the bottle off because it's a glass vial. So I don't like those. Those scare me a lot. Looks like you do the same thing, but I don't know. It says to open, place hands on each end of the bottle and twist along the neck, along the bottleneck. Oh, so you don't have to snap it off. So that's good. Place rubber head over the bottle, ensuring that there's no gap between the dripper and the body of the bottle. To apply serum, hold the bottle vertically to the skin surface and gently tap skin surface with the rubber. Okay. Their diagram back here is kind of funny. It looks like a salt shaker, but it's okay. I'm weird, I'm sorry. And the last thing in the kit is this Soothing or Juveding Repair Mask. Oh, so there's 6 masks in here. Very nice. And it's basically just like a sheet mask. So, when you purchase the kit, it doesn't come with paper instructions. It'll come in your email in a separate email. And it'll also have you another separate email to register your product. You know, in case something happens, they can help you replace stuff or whatever. So, what are we going to try? I don't want to do the pin yet because it's I want to read a little bit more how to use it, and I film on my phone, so I can't toggle between screens. So let's I'm gonna do this repair mask, and I'll do it off camera, and then I'll come back and tell you how I feel about it. So be right back. Okay, so I'm back after doing the mask. So I thought I will do the Nano chip today and see how it goes. So I will put the battery in. That comes apart. Okay. That just sitting there. Ah, okay. There we go. Oh, okay. It's like a vibrating thing. Okay. Here's what the little thing looks like. That's what it looks like with the little thing on, Nano chip. Then you turn it on. Oh. Doesn't hurt at all. Because I've tried micro needling before with one of those roller things. They don't hurt, but it's just it basically makes like a sore. My cat might make an appearance, so excuse him. I like this. Does not hurt at all. Now you can either glide or stamp. Doesn't hurt. Even on even down here, it doesn't hurt. It just vibrates. So so that's not bad. But there he is. Milky. Move. So yeah, that's not bad at all. This is actually pretty nice. I like it. So yeah, I think I'll keep you guys in the know on how this works for me. So far, I really do like it. Excuse him for being in the frame. He's just curious. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you'd like to see more updates on this Deminage system, and I'll let you guys know. I'll do an update video and whatnot. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you like demo videos like this, new skincare videos like this. Subscribe if you have not. We love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.